Welcome to my channel. Enjoy watching.
Whoa! Shit!
Look at the driver in his jeep. Slippery roads, big consequences.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god.
No room for mistakes. Just seconds changed everything. The turn was too sharp.
Every time. What the fuck? What the? I have no idea.
Always expect the unexpected.
È vivo? Il rider?
Porca puttana.
Dobbiamo scendere.
Instant karma.
Oh, running red light. Oh my god!
Holy shit!
What the? Oh my god, dude. Holy hit and run and then.
It was very brave. Two trucks had a fight. Look at this Spider-Man's reaction.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Just a little bit before the accident.
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
How did he even get there?
What the hell? How the heck did that happen? Oh my god! That is insane.
That's.
No comments. Domino effect unlocked.
I'ma give her what she asked for. Cash on me. If the cops get behind me, don't cash on me. Shawty know she bad, 7%. I'ma give her what she want.
Very bad decision detected. The man crashed and started to prove that it wasn't his fault.
I meant the ones down here. Listen. The ones down here. What did she mean? I felt a tugging on my senses, like Gran reaching out and giving them a soft redirection.
That's a piece of shit.
My thoughts expanded, and I saw, in a moment,
Maybe check your mirrors.
Your call cannot be taken. So please leave your message after the tone.
What's up, Karen? This is Porter Robinson, and I hope you're doing well. Up next is one of my own tracks called Unison.
Does anyone know what is under the hood?
Oh my God. Holy Mother Mary.
He's a tough guy, he breaks laws.
I was there at San Diego Zoo, and I made it a point to go to the tiger enclosure because I really liked it.
I told you this fucking guy was a moron. He already fucking cut you off back there. You should have laid. I try to give people the benefit of the doubt. He was a big time fucking moron.
Unpleasant situation.
Fucking back up!
Fuck
fucking.
Evil as in what? That the devil is God?
No, I'm saying there's God, and then there's the devil.
Jesus Christ, dude. Fucking red light.
The situation is unclear.
The world's economy is not recovering as hoped from the COVID-19 pandemic, with a worse than expected effect on jobs between rich and poor countries. Its projection for hours worked this year is more than 4% lower than before the pandemic. It's the equivalent of losing 125 million full-time jobs.
Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you liked and what you didn't. It's really important to me.
What the fuck is happening?